Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir. Please subscribe my channel to learn total syllabus of 10th class. From last video, yesterday, we start a chapter that is chemical reactions and equations. In last video, we study that is what is chemical reaction. You know what is chemical reaction there? Chemical reaction is takes place when chemical changes occurs, and you know here that change occurs during chemical reaction is a permanent change and it is called chemical change. But here, what is the meaning of chemical equation? Chemical equation म्हणजे काय, कशाला आपण chemical equation म्हणतो? Look here, chemical equation is a short representation of chemical reaction. It is a short representation of chemical reaction, or a chemical reaction represented by using molecular formulas and symbols of reactants and products is called chemical equation, and that is the definition of chemical equation. But before that, we take one example. Here we take one example that is heat is given to calcium carbonate. Heat is given to calcium carbonate. It convert to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Look here, we given the heat to the particular substance, one substance that is calcium carbonate, and you know here after heating calcium carbonate it convert to two different substances, that is calcium oxide and that is carbon dioxide. Means in this way, that is the one example of chemical reaction and it is a chemical change. When heat is given to one substance, it gets permanently converted to the two substances, calcium oxide and calcium carbonate. This statement of this reaction, chemical reaction, here we represent by using molecular formulas and symbols of this calcium carbonate, then calcium oxide and then carbon dioxide. Means that is called chemical equation. Look here, what is the molecular formula of calcium carbonate? Dear student, it is necessary to know the molecular formulas of compound when we study the chemistry. जेव्हा आपण केमिस्ट्रीचा अभ्यास करतो त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युलाज आणि सिम्बॉल्स हे प्रत्येक कंपाऊंड आणि एलिमेंटचे माहित असायला पाहिजे. लुक हियर, कॅल्शियम कार्बोनेट मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला. Here we write a chemical equation of process. How we write that chemical equation of process? Calcium carbonate formula CaCO3. Calcium carbonate formula CaCO3. Here we represent the arrow between this reactant and product. Here we represent heat on the arrow. By given the heat, its substance gets decomposes and its compound gets decomposes. Two products are there. It is necessary to know the formula of calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide, that is CaO, plus carbon dioxide, that is CO2. Overhead arrow to indicate the gas. Means that is the short representation of this process by using these molecular formulas and symbols of reactants and product. That is called chemical equation. And it is necessary to know what is meant by chemical equation and how we write the chemical equation. But before that, what is the definition of chemical equation? Chemical equation ची definition काय? What is definition of chemical equation? what is definition of chemical equation? Means you know here, it is a representation. It is representation of chemical reaction by using molecular formulas and symbols of reactants and product is called chemical equation. Means the representation of chemical reaction by using molecular formulae and symbols of reactants and products is called chemical equation. And it is the definition of chemical equation. The representation of chemical reaction by using molecular formulae and symbols of reactants and products is called chemical equation, and that is the definition of chemical equation. Look here, that is substance which can be taken in this reaction, that is called reactant. Means heat is given to which substance there? Therefore, look here, heat is given to which substance? That is calcium carbonate. Means that is the reactant. It can taken part in this reaction, hence that is reactant. And which product gets obtained by heating the calcium carbonate? That is calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, they are the products. Means substance which can taken part in reaction, that is called reactant, and substance which can produce during chemical reaction, they are called products. Means in this way, here CaCO3 is the reactant and CaO plus CO2 are the products. Means in this way, that is the definition of that chemical reaction. The representation of chemical reaction by using molecular formulae and symbols of reactant and product is called chemical equation, and it is the definition of chemical equation. Dear student, we study that is how we write or writing the chemical equation. There are some steps involved to write the chemical equation. Which steps involves here to write the chemical equation? That is writing of chemical equation. Writing of chemical equation. How we write the chemical equation? Look here, firstly it is necessary to denote what is reactant and what is product. The substance which taken part in chemical reaction, they are called reactant. Means here there is steps involves or some points are used, following points or following steps used to write chemical equation. Following steps used to write chemical equation. Which are the steps? First step is there. Substance take part in chemical reaction called reactants. They are called reactants. Substance take part in chemical reaction, they are called reactants, and reactants represent two LHS, left hand side. Reactant represent two LHS. Then you know what is product? Substance produced during chemical reaction, they are called products. Substance produce during chemical reaction are called products and products write to RHS, that is right hand side. Products write to or represent to products represent to RHS, right hand side. And dear student, look here, that is one arrow represent between reactant and product, and direction of arrow is from reactant towards product. Arrow represent between reactants and product, and direction of arrow is from reactants towards product. Direction of arrow is from reactant towards product. म्हणजे arrowची डायरेक्शन ही reactant कडून कुठे असायला पाहिजे, product कडे असायला पाहिजे. Then one important point, that is plus sign is given between two or more reactant or two or more product. If there are two or more reactant there, then give the plus sign. If there are two or more product, then also give the plus sign. The plus sign given between two or more reactants and products. Means in this way, these are the main steps which are involved to write the chemical equation. Other than this step, one point is there, that overhead arrow represent the gas which is involved in that chemical reaction, and downward arrow represent that is a precipitate in chemical reaction. Then one point here, that is mention the physical states of the reactant and product. If solid is there, then indicate by small s. If liquid is there, indicate by small l, and gas is there, if indicate by small g. Means in this way, these are the steps involved to write the chemical equation and definition and example of that chemical equation. That's all.